Hi, Charlie here at Pressure Pier Cleaning Services, and we're here on a roof cleaning job today. Before someone sells this home, got to clean it up. I'm going to show you what's going on. I wanted to show you what we're dealing with. So we've got to clean off this roof to this condo here. And you can see the clean portion up top. So once you get down, it gets really dirty. So we're going to go ahead and sweep this off, blow it off. Get that off the roof to start with. And the roof goes all the way here. The next roof over is going to be the next unit, so we're not cleaning that, but we are going to go up over and clean this portion. It's one big surface here. Get that cleaned and job done. Right, so the gutters on this unit have got quite a bit of leaves and debris in them. They're all filled up in the back here. Extends over. Same deal all around. It's over here. Filled up. Over here. Not totally filled up, but definitely have some leaves. And over to the last two. Filled up with leaves as well. And this one here. It's pretty clear. So sometimes we'll actually disassemble your gutters if we need to reassemble them, of course, optimize. We gotta empty this out. We already did, dumped it out to the ground. And these were not fitting properly anymore. So probably when they were installed, they were okay, but they've just worn down to the point where the bottom just literally pours right down where it's supposed to connect. So go ahead and do a fresh cut on the end of these, and then we'll reinstall them. Again, this is not necessary on every job. In fact, normally isn't. But we'll do it on this one. It's the gutter cleaning job as well as the roof cleaning. And we'll get up on top here and start cleaning the stuff from the top once we've reconnected these halfway. Alright, so it's the next day, and this is what it looks like. It's not completely dry, but it's dry enough to where I can show you at this point. Alright, so we're just going to pan from right to left. You can see that we've cleaned this roof. And it's looking good. We've got some shade, so I'm going to kind of walk up on different sections just to show the difference. Because I know from the last video that we had, you could definitely see. Go right up on it. It looks perfect. Go into the one with the sun shining on the whole thing. It looks great. Now obviously this roof is pretty old. It's actually missing some of the asphalt. See in the bare spots. Let's see if we could find a spot. Here's a good example. It's just missing some of the actual particles, so that's just what it is. But at least it evens out the look and extends the life of the roof and makes it look much better.